hindi siya umiilaw? Bakit hindi siya umiilaw? What's up, YouTube peeps? This is your neophyte YouTube vlogger. My name is Josh and we're here for another video. But today, I am not going to react to any music video, but isa lang, unboxing ng aking bagong biling, pwede ko siyang tawaging gadget for vlogging. Actually, I am on my 34th video na on my YouTube channel, but wala akong ginagamit na ring light. All I use is the light dun sa ceiling. Dun. LED na light. Yung bulb lang na LED. But now, since I have to improve my videos and the lightings and the things that you be seeing on my channel, so ang ginawa ko, bumili ako kay Lazada ng ring light. So this will be the unboxing of the ring light that I bought kay Lazada. This is normal price niya is 1,500 plus, but nakita ko to, in order ko to nung Sunday, naka flash sale, so from 1,500 plus, ano na lang siya, 419 pesos plus yung shipping na 50 pesos. So ang halaga nito ay 469. So ayun, sobrang excited akong dumating nito kasi nakalagay doon hanggang up to November 7 pa daw yung delivery, pero I was surprised kasi dumating siya agad after actually 1.5 days lang, kasi Sunday morning, so 1 day kahapon, first day, and then today, 2 days bali, hindi siya umabot ng 5 to 7 days based dun sa kanyang sinabi dun sa pag-order ko. So wala ako kanina dito sa bahay, meron akong binili, i-unbox ko din yan, very excited ako dun, pero ito muna unahin natin. So this is the ring light. I think this is 26 centimeters. Okay, so simulan na natin ang pag-unbox nitong ring light. So bubuksan na natin, meron na akong cutter. Sirain na natin yung bubble wrap. Sobrang excited ako para pumogi naman ako sa mga video. Para gumanda yung skin ko, kasi hindi naman talaga maganda ang aking two-piece. Okay, so maraming salamat sa LEXPH na nag-deliver nito. At napakaganda ng packaging, hindi makakawala. So ito na yung, anong tawag dyan? Yung karton, nakalagay ring fill light. Tapos nakalagay fill light and beauty face, make face and eye in beauty, night core extreme, multiple color temperature. So may tatlong temperature ito. So nakalagay the ring supplement lamp is suitable for selfie and live video streaming, etc. It has the function of fill light, beauty face, beauty eye, brightness skin, etc. It can also adjust for 3 color temperature, and according to your favorite to adjust various shade, and it is equipped with variety of heights and angle, and used with frame which is a beauty weapon. Okay, so simulan na natin buksan. Okay, so what's in a box? ito yung cellphone holder. Nice. Ay, hindi ko alam kung bakit may cellphone holder siya. Ito, hindi ko rin alam kung anong tawag dito. Basta ito yung ginaganon para ikabit siya. Ito pa isa. Pag ikakabit siya sa tripod. Yun na yung laman. So, ito na siya. So, USB ang kanyang plug. So, kailangan ko ng USB port. Yun lang. So, pwede na, hindi naman nakalagay dito kung ano ang hindi nakalagay dito kung ano yung kanyang watts. So, I think pwede siya sa charger ng phone. Tapos, meron siyang controller. So, the controller says power plus, tapos may parang refresh or shift. Siguro ito yung option for you to change the shade or the temperature of the color, and then plus. So ayan. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, isasaksak na natin siya. Buti na lang may saksakan ako dito. Yan, naisaksak ko na. So, nag-light na siya. And now, the moment of truth. Let's press the power button. Hindi siya umiilaw. Bakit hindi siya umiilaw? Ayun! Nagulat ako! Sobrang lakas! Nagmukha ako. Ayan, dapat pala nasa likod ng camera. Well, anyway, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung ilaw. Ayan, sobrang bright. And hindi ko pa siya masyadong alam kung paano. Ngayon, pipindutin ko muna yung minus sign. Walang, ayun. Humihina. Siyempre, pag plus, madadagdagan yung brightness niya. So, nakikita ko dito parang dalawa na yung light. Isang warm, isang daylight. Yan, ito yung warm. Warm lang. Warm na warm. Yan yung effect niya. Warm. Tapos, pagka medyo hininaan ko siya, sakto lang. Ang pogi ko na. Okay. Tapos, ang susunod naman natin ay yung daylight lang. So, mas nagiging parang glass skin yung effect. Ito siya. Okay. Yan. So, yun. Parang nagiging glass skin pag yung white lang. Ito yung both. Combination ng warm at saka ng daylight. Siguro pag pareho siyang ginagamit, it would be best kung medyo hinaan siya para hindi naman masyadong parang nagulat tayo sa sobrang liwanag. Yan. So the way it should be open is parang yon. Long press ang kailangan. Tapos pag bubuksan ulit, syempre, long press ulit. Ayun. Pero pagpapatayin long press, pag bubuksan, isang click lang. So, ayun, tapos na tayo mag-unbox. Tapos na tayo mag-unbox ng ating ring light. So, before I end this video, I'd like to invite all of you guys to please do subscribe to my channel if you're new to it. And also, you can hit the like button and the notification bell for you to be updated with all the future videos that I'll be uploading. And comments, please do comment down below anything that you want to say, anything that you want to hear, anything that you want to see dito sa ating channel. Watch out kayo dun sa susunod kong video because it's another unboxing of a gadget that I just bought. So, this has been your Neophyte YouTube Vlogger. My name is Josh and I am signing out. Thank you sa panonood. Bye-bye.